Hi, this is Geralin Thomas, professional organizer and career coach for professional organizers. In previous episodes, I've introduced you to 4 wonderful women named branding, marketing, sales, and advertising. In this video, I can't wait to tell you about one of my very best friends, public relations. All her friends call her PR and, well, she's a breath of fresh air. She's known for surprising clients with positivity, hope, and enthusiasm. She thinks outside the box and is very philanthropic. I've seen her put the fun in fundraising by making things entertaining and personal. I mean, who can forget the Ice Bucket Challenge for ALS? 3.7 million viral videos of people dumping cold water on themselves. It didn't cost a dime, but it raised more than $115 million. And, best of all, had everybody talking about ALS. PR is a mover and a shaker. By far the most well-connected one in our little group. Her little black book is stuffed with the names of business owners, politicians, celebrities, athletes, and subject matter experts. PR gets my foot in the door at a lot of events, and those events are not only fun, they are great opportunities for me to volunteer and give back. Many of the events allow me to network and build strong relationships. A few of my favorite events from the past include a 6-stop book tour where I spoke for free at public libraries all around North Carolina. Ask the Organizer sessions at home and garden shows around the country, silent auction fundraisers at local schools, shredding events, and Dress for Success events. During these events, I enjoy sharing stories and having meaningful conversations with people from all walks of life. I hear a lot of interesting stories from everyday folks as well as successful business people. For me, this is networking at its best. Oh, if I were ever to get into hot water, PR would be my go-to gal pal because she knows how to put a positive spin on everything. She's masterful at managing crises and catastrophes. So, there you have it. This concludes all my introductions to my BFFs for now. You've met all 5 of my friends and heard a little bit about them and a little bit about me. I would be absolutely delighted if you would leave a question or comment or subscribe to this channel. Please have a look at my 4-hour branding and marketing webinar at napo.net titled Creating Your Own Buzz, Marketing and Branding. It's webinar number 4-429, and it's available 24/7. And if you're a professional organizer who has questions about your own branding, marketing, sales, advertising, or PR efforts, feel free to schedule a 60-minute one-on-one coaching call with me. Just head over to metropolitanorganizing.com and click the Products and Services tab on the menu.